You've changed, little bird. None of it would have happened if you left King's Landing with me. No Littlefinger, no Ramsay. None of it.
And I'd be queen someday. It's the only thing I ever wanted.
I'll never be cruel to you again. Do you understand me?
I was a stupid girl.
Sir Ilyn, bring me his head. After I raise my armies and kill your traitor brother, I'm going to give you his head as well.
Or maybe he'll give me yours.
Would you sing a song for me, little bird? A song about knights and fair maidens?
I don't know any songs. Not anymore. Since my father was executed, I have been a hostage in King's Landing. A plaything for Joffrey to torture or Queen Cersei to torment. They beat me, they humiliated me, they married me to the imp.
But I promise you one thing, my lady. I won't ever hurt you.
They say you killed Joffrey. Did you?
I wish I had. You freed me from the monsters who murdered my family. And you gave me to other monsters who murdered my family. If I'm going to die, let it happen while there's still some of me left.
You've been running all your life. Terrible things happen to your family and you weep. You sit alone in a darkened room mourning their fates. You've been a bystander to tragedy from the day they executed your father. Stop being a bystander, do you hear me? Stop running.
There's only one place we can go. Home.
There's no justice in the world. Not unless we make it. You loved your family. Avenge them.
I'm Sansa Stark of Winterfell. This is my home. And you can't frighten me. And we said we'd never bow to anyone else again. What about the North?
The North will be yours.
The North will remain an independent kingdom. Without Littlefinger and Ramsay and the rest, I would have stayed a little bird all my life.